Meet the crocodile, nature's ancient warrior. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years, even outliving the dinosaurs. Their senses are incredibly sharp. They can detect vibrations in the water for pinpointing prey. Did you know? Crocodiles replace their teeth over 40 times in a lifetime, ensuring they're always ready for mealtime. Their infamous death roll isn't just random. It's a calculated move to disorient, drown, and dismember their prey. Finally, don't be fooled by their size. Some crocodiles can reach speeds of up to 11 miles per hour on land. Respect the crocodile, a true survivor.